Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of creating a simple image classification model using convolutional neural networks, CNN, in Python. We will be using the popular deep learning library TensorFlow along with Keras, which is a high-level neural networks API that runs on top of TensorFlow. Make sure you have the following libraries installed. For this tutorial, we will use the SAFAR10 dataset, which consists of 60,032 x 32 color images in 10 different classes. You can load this dataset directly using TensorFlow's dataset module. Now, let's define and build our CNN model using TensorFlow and Keras. Compile the model by specifying the optimizer, loss function, and metrics. Now, train the model using the training data. Evaluate the model on the test data to check its performance. Plot the training and validation accuracy and loss over epochs. Congratulations! You have successfully created a simple image classification model using CNN in Python. Experiment with different architectures, hyperparameters, and datasets to further enhance your understanding of CNNs and improve model performance. ChatGPT